Alright, before we start, you must know the notations. If you are a beginner and you don't know the notations of the Rubik's Cube or anything about the Rubik's Cube, then I highly recommend you to check out my video. The basic notations of Rubik's Cube for beginners. You can click to this image or the link is in the description down below. In order to achieve the pattern, follow the algorithm very carefully. L U B prime U prime R L prime B R prime F B prime D R then D prime and in the last F prime. There you have it, a perfect anaconda or the snake. If you like this video, be sure to check out my playlist for more awesome patterns like this.